अपने मंदिरों में जाने के लिए आप सब आजाद हैं। अपनी मस्जिदों में जाने के लिए और किसी भी और इबादतगाह में जाने के लिए इस ममलकत पाकिस्तान में।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Independence story of Pakistan. Islam in Arabia spread to Indo-Pak within 2 to 3 decades. Soon powerful Muslim governments were established. In 1857, British East India Company conquered Delhi and British rule was established. Hindus joined hand with British for want of democracy. But democracy was not possible in country like subcontinent as there lived two nations with sharp distinct religion and civilizations. Hindus and British tried their level best to suppress Muslims in all fields of life, even to the level of brutality. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan tried to convince the British rule that followers of Islam can't become a part of any nation that comprised non-believers. Allama Muhammad Iqbal strongly pursued two-nation theory, that Indian Muslims wanted to preserve and maintain their separate national identity by exercising their right of self-determination and creating an independent Muslim country. The ideology of Pakistan was visioned by Quaid-e-Azam. This is based on the teachings of Holy Quran. Quaid-e-Azam organized and united the Muslims of subcontinent. He formed All India Muslim League in 1906 in Dhaka, and after 2 years of its establishment, Allama Muhammad Iqbal joined. Allama Iqbal further strengthened and wrote in 1908 that Islam is something more than a creed, it is also a community, a nation. In 1930, Allama Iqbal in his famous presidential address presented that the formation of a consolidated Muslim Northwest Indian state appears to be the final destiny of Muslims. It was not an easy task to achieve an independent homeland for Muslims of subcontinent. There were endless difficulties in this way. The Muslims of South Asia succeeded to overcome these difficulties under the able leadership of Quaid-e-Azam through a given guideline of faith, unity, and discipline. Thus, an independent Islamic Republic of Pakistan came into being on 14th August 1947. Pakistan Zindabad. Thank you so much.